I'm Lisa Brady.
And I'm Kaylee Smith.
And this is
MLLE News. In a recent development among the tri-state area, moles have taken over downtown. So stay indoors and protect your children.
Let's go to Fiona Smiles, who on site of the mole attack downtown. Fiona, what is it like out there? I am here with local civilian Max Schneider. Max, how do you feel about the mole slaughters downtown?
I honestly have no idea what's going on. What is it? Is it a mole?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Max. What is a mole?
Let's go to our local correspondent, Gertrude Johnston, about the mole.
Thank you, Lisa and Kaylee. Well, a mole is simply a counting unit. It's a chemist's dozen, but instead of a dozen, it's more like 602 billion trillion. It's the amount of pure substance containing the same number of chemical units. It makes life much easier for your local chemist. But when it's not loose, well, you've seen the disastrous results.
Thank you, Gertrude.
I'm getting notice of a recent development in the mole attacks by local hunter William Joseph. Joseph, tell us what you know about the moles.
Well, you see here, what you got to do is you got to get rid of these buggers in just 3 steps. First thing is that you just got to determine how many moles you got. Then you got to find the molar mass of the substance. And then lastly, you get those suckers inside and you just get one right in your trap. Like this one right here. I'm harassing.
That is great news, Joseph, but a lot of people don't know what molar mass is.
Well, you see, molar mass is a physical property defined as the mass of a given substance divided by its amount of substance. The base SI unit of molar mass is kilograms over a mole. To calculate molar mass of a compound with multiple atoms, add all the atomic mass of those constituents.
That seems simple enough.
I am getting news of other real-world mole sightings.
Here's our correspondent Nick with Real World Moles.
Hi Lisa and Kaylee, I am Nikki and I am currently sighted in Australia. There have been mole sightings all over. It says right here that a grain of sand is approximately 10 negative 12 mole cubed. And the area of the United States is 13 mole squared. Moles are all around us. It's practically an invasion. Hide, protect your family, run!
I hope you're okay out there, Nikki.
We found the creator of said moles, and he is here today to talk about his discovery.
I am Avogadro. I proposed my hypothesis in 1811. At the time, there was no data at all on the number of particles in a mole or any agreement on any atomic weights or the standard. The first measurements, which could give an approximate value for my number, were observations of Brownian motion by Robert Brown in 1827, although he is nearly not as smart as I. I created the mole as a counting tool, and at the time, I had no idea the damages the moles would cause against this society. There have been instances of people worshipping the moles in a holiday known as Mole Day.
Chemists all around the world on October 23rd from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. celebrate the mole. Mole Day was created as a way to foster interest in chemistry.
It has become an animalistic tradition.
I'm getting word from my sponsor that we have to sign off, but here are some last-minute pieces of information you need to know about the mole.
Featuring Nick, our correspondent.
So here we go. I'm going to teach you how to convert moles to grams. So we're going to find out how many grams are in 88.1 moles of magnesium. Now we already know how many moles we have of magnesium, but we need to figure out the atomic mass of magnesium, which is about 24.31 grams. Now we know that 1 mole of magnesium is equal to 24.31 grams. So all we have to do is multiply however many moles that we have in the current problem by the atomic mass of magnesium, which would give us about 2,141.71 grams, which, when we use proper significant digits, gives us 2,142 grams.
2, 3.
The empirical formula of a compound shows the lowest whole number ratio of elements present in a compound.
The molecular formula of a compound shows how many atoms of each element are present in the compound.
And lastly, stay safe out there against the moles.
This is MLLE News signing off.